share our views and actions which we can take for the rest of the year. So I welcome all of you for this program. Thank you.
Pleasure that Dr. Jagannathan is invited to the World Health Day. So normally in the college we don't have all such things, but in the recent times these environmental awareness days are more. So only one question we have: where will we go other than Earth? We have to live in the Earth, yes. No other place. The scientists are making their plans to go to Mars everywhere, but Earth is the best place, our Mother Earth. So, as this thing, I lived in this earth for so many years and we have enjoyed, and we hope we will transfer this to the coming generations also. So, that is the essence of this World Earth Day. So, whatever we enjoyed Mother Nature on this earth, we should give back to the coming generations also. We try to preserve the nature. So, trees, plant as much trees possible, and to this generation, my request is reduce the usage of plastic, single-use plastic. Please try to reduce. Carry your own water bottles because this is summer season. Don't every day spend on water bottles. So that way you can use the reduction of single-use plastics. So that is what we can do, and we can plant some trees. Other environmental this thing we can try to reduce. So the main aim is to transfer this nature what we have enjoyed, currently enjoying, should pass on to the next generations. We should not exploit everything and make it a barren land. So keep working for that, whatever way you feel it is good. To start with, maybe you can avoid the use of single-use plastics. Carry your own water bottle in the summer season and you will reduce this thing. So everybody has their own ideas. So you can discuss with the department people and start implementing it in your life. So that is this thing. Thank you.
All those things which are only talked by the politicians, but they don't do anything. So at least we can be proud that we are doing something. We just don't talk, we don't preach, we also implement it. Good initiative. As he said, we have planted some trees. Now, as Dr. Jagannath said, do your bit to improve the earth. Like he said, water bottles. I tend to see basic thing which I watch on the students is when you work in the lab, Rostov lab or conservative lab. The simplest thing which you can do is switch off the lights and fans and go. That is also saving the earth. You save electricity. Okay, and don't take it as a complaint. In my department, I can see all the time the water is running. Save water. Water, electricity are basic needs. You will not have pleasant sleep if you don't have electricity. So when you have it, make use of it. And make sure you switch off the fans, lights before you leave. Anywhere, even in your house. I see that you do it in your house, but not in the college. Electricity is common, no, to all of you. Okay. So, and one more thing, garbage. Garbage disposal also is going to improve your standard of living and environmental protection also. So use proper disposable of waste. Follow the waste management principles. And as Dr. Sada said, I have lived the earth, I have used all the beautiful things in the earth. What will my son and my daughter will have? Think about it. Leave some for the rest of the generation who are going to follow you. Okay? Thank you. All the best.
Good morning. First, congratulate Dr. Jagannath sir for initiating this day. World Earth Day. He has been conducting a lot of sensitizing program like green dentistry and all. Previously we had conducted and sensitized how we can reduce the biomedical waste or bio waste inside the dental department. He is taking a lot of effort, and it's up to us to follow her. And in an initiative, we have also planted the trees so as to increase the oxygen output. So it is all up to us what we have learned in our science in our school days to implement. It doesn't stop in school days only. We have to keep implementing it and try to reduce the carbon dioxide output in the earth. And all the best. Thanks.
Also, congratulations to PhD department for conducting such an event. I've been a thorough witness for the last 4-5 years, seeing them directly doing and managing and having the initiative to prepare, gather the students and make it as a grand event. Not just for the World Earth Day, for all the commemorative days, they try to plan and do some grandeur event. Okay. So coming on to this World Earth Day, I think there are 3 words which we should remember. As you all know, the reduce, recycle and reuse, the 3 R's. We just have to remember it. Remembering it is easy, but practicing it is very difficult. Practicing anything is very difficult, particularly practicing this, because it has to become a habit for us to practice it. So we have to consciously make it as a habit. Maybe you should try practicing a minimalist lifestyle. It is not just about sapling, trees or plants. It's about managing and maintaining and preserving all the resources which are available on the earth in order to preserve our Mother Earth, so that, as they all said, we can pass it on to the upcoming or the next generations. As the theme says, rather than investing on the materialistic things.
He was born in 1985. It was 15 years after the Earth Day commenced. So he wrote in his book that the greatest crimes against the world is not knowing the history of what we are trying to do, and that we are history relived without an end. That is all. And all the tales we hear are of us, the histories of all the people who have lived through all these times. So let's take a few minutes to understand and learn why the World Earth Day is this important. Because it was a reaction. What had happened to the initiation of this day on 1970 was due to a reaction of an oil rig explosion in Santa Barbara coast in California. A very well-known environmentalist, Senator Nelson, he was going through from Wisconsin to California for a convention. While going through, he saw the Santa Barbara coast. For about 1,000 kilometers square, there was an oil rig explosion. It was filled with oil. It caused the single greatest impact of marine life, causing about 10,000 species, out of which 3 to 4 are now found to be extinct. So it was a reaction to that which which created this effect for creating the World Earth Day 2020. The story is actually quite interesting. So when Senator Nelson saw this, he wanted to create a bunch of laws, because he thought that was the good way going forward, that we should have environmental laws to protect what is left of Earth. And so one of the ways that they wanted to provide this was through teach-ins. So teach-ins are like publicized events where you invite journalists, you invite debaters and all. You call them and you publicize them with few press. And the last time it happened in US, it was during the Vietnam War, where civil rights issues were very prominent, and the highest number of people that they saw were 3,500 in Michigan University, which was a very huge number for them at the time. They are usually conducted, teach-ins are usually conducted in a college environment, so they started to do it in the New York University in the year 1970. They expected to have some 1,000 people or something for the teach-in, and they called all the journalists. For their surprise, because of the presence of Haynes, who was a student activist, and he was doing it for the last 5 years. He was trying to create a big protest against the unfair practices from oil companies and all. So for the 5 years, he called upon all the students and the single greatest protest with over 20 million people came around, and that's what initiated the World Earth Day 1970. And through the years, in the next starting years, there was Air Pollution Control Act. There were levied taxes on oil companies for their environmental effects. Multiple states in Canada, Ontario, which Canada has one of the highest natural oil resources. So they started, whichever company which starts mining oil and this stuff, they have to repay for the environment. And that is the history associated with the event. I will show you the PPT. There are some newspaper clippings and some other events that was caused due to this, even in India, and UNICEF, which created their own division for environmental protection. So this was a newspaper article on the oil spill in January 1969, which created the Earth Day summit in Rio de Janeiro. It was in 1992, which has now been continuing for over 40 years. It has been continuing. In the year 2012, it was called Rio 20, signifying 20 years of the Earth Summit. It created what the Rio Summit found was that most countries who have profited from this oil making, and they became much more profitable economically, now levying taxes on other countries which are not don't have the power of energy or